Back at it again. 2012 GMC Arcadia. I like to refer to it as the Crapcadia. VVT solenoid replacement. Let's go. So it snowed out here in good old Michigan yesterday, and well, she's snow covered. It's not too cold out though. It's like almost 30 degrees. And the last video I posted doing the valve, or doing the spark plugs and coil packs, which was a bigger job than this, I think. I don't know yet. It was like 10 degrees out and windy. That one sucked. Now, first thing you're going to want to do here in this awesome DIY tutorial is don't even pop your hood yet, because you're going to come over here to this Crapcadia, to your passenger back door. You're going to crack it, son of a bitch. Forgot I had stuff in here. Well, that's got to come out because you got to get to your back. So, passenger side back door, that's your front seat. Front passenger seat next to the driver. This little door here, you're going to need a T15 Torx, that guy. Then you're going to want to come in with a 10mm and remove your negative battery cable. Okay, take your cover, pull your cable through it. Not hard, don't be rough with it. Just do that. So by some weird chance it can't slip back onto the good old terminal and reground itself. And we got some metal here. We also don't want that to touch, so I'm going to take this hunk of 2x4 here and just let it rest on it. Start by removing this plastic cover here. Make it a little bit more friendly to get into. There's a lot of stuff that's got to come out here just to replace these solenoids. It's a pain in the butt, but it's got to be done because that's the way the engineers designed this lovely Arcadia. Broken clip here. I do not have any of these on hand at the moment. I'll do your stop. Next, the fuse box got to get removed to make room to work on this some more. Get your hands down in there. So this is got to get removed. Come in with your 13mm, remove this positive here. Oh yeah, she's tight. Corrosion. We're gonna fix that up too while we're under the hood. Might as well, we're already here. But we'll do that on the reinstall. Keep that bolt close by. Bolt you just took off. Now we're going to come in these two bolts right here with a 10mm. Whoa, that's loose. That should not be that loose at all. That's bad. Fuse box out. Okay, so this little piece that was mounted to the bottom of the fuse box here, you can see it's split in two. rotate a little bit and you can get a screwdriver in between it. There's a little tab you got to fight with. This little guy. And he's stubborn. Get it loose. And just separate them. There's the tab. Now that's out of the way, we can doohickey this guy over here. Kind of just got to work your way around the clips. Gently kind of pulling up. Loosen the clips. I think that's all of them. Back one here. That guy over there. Okay, now this is where it gets fun. This is where the big removing comes. This bracket's got to come out. I do believe 10 millimeter, and a 10 millimeter. Don't hold me to it, I do believe. Let's see, we got a 10 mil on here. Should be a 10 mil, ladies and gents. Gotta come out of the way. Over there. Goodbye. Ah, is that perfect? Okay. 10 mil right over here. And then down here, where am I at? Focus me, Hank, focus me. 10 mil here. Mil. Goodbye. Mystery broken clip. This bracket, take it out. So this is gonna suck, but this has got to come out, and this has got to come out. Motor mounts. Might need an extension. Sat that way, put the bolts in the holes the way they were in there, and this, so when you go to put it back on, you're not like, oh man, what one was it? I don't think you're gonna be able to see this. It is right here. Right here. And I do believe the second one, it is right. Cha. So right, cha, and right, cha. Yes. So I want to take you guys along the ride with me on this, but there's no good place to put the camera, let alone have my hands down in there. So you guys are just gonna hang out up there, and I'm gonna do my thing down here. Yeah. Right on. like Ray Charles on the piano. You got to go in there by feel. You just gotta feel. Oh, loosening that bolt. Oh, with my bare fingers, cause I can't see a thing. This is a new, this is a pretty VVT solenoid. Kind of get your Ray Charles on again and go in there. They don't look too terrible, but we're replacing them. This is a new. Alright, so we had to move radiator hose up and out of the way to expose that. This bracket is now. There are all your other sensors. Cam position. Oh, that one's really fun. Right. Royal belt, that won't be bad. So we got them two done over there. There's the third one. Right there, and then right above it here, it's your fourth one. You gotta kind of flip this belt out of the way here to get to the bolt. Again, it's a 10mm. There's the solenoid. Okay, so they're all in, good to go. I would show you how to put everything back together, but I'm going to make a second video doing position sensors, and you got to take all that stuff off anyway. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.